Elaine Thompson-Herah received her diplomatic passport from the government of Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two-time Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah has received a diplomatic passport from the government of Jamaica. The presentation of the diplomatic passport was made to Thompson-Herah by Prime Minister Andrew Holness on Tuesday during a courtesy call at the office of the Prime Minister.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
This is the star.
You too?
Not so much. Not so much. You are the brilliant star.
Thank you.
And indeed, not just brilliant, but rising. I must say that in watching your performance and receiving your recent award, that I was very proud
Thank you.
because for every generation, Jamaica has produced its star, someone that defines the generation. And it is that definition of the generation by their performance, not just locally, but internationally, globally, that keeps Jamaica on top on the world stage. So you are, no, you are a very important national asset. It is with great pleasure that the government of Jamaica presents you with this diplomatic passport as a symbol of our appreciation, a symbol as well of our respect and love for you. You deserve it, and again, let me hand it over to you now.
Thank you.
That was Prime Minister, the Most Right Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness, at a courtesy call, handed over the passport to Elaine Thompson-Herah. In a post on his social media platform, he wrote, I strongly believe in acknowledging hardworking and dedicated Jamaicans. In October, we honored Elaine with the Order of Distinction, Commander Class. Today, I officially handed over the diplomatic passport as another way of tangibly recognizing her talent and impact. I encourage her to continue inspiring this generation and representing Jamaica at the highest level. Elaine, Jamaica is proud and appreciate all you've done to elevate global athletics and our national brand. That was what the Prime Minister posted on his social media platform. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to congratulate her as well on getting her diplomatic passport. Continuing in the news, Elaine has displayed the best of Jamaica with extraordinary talent, confidence, and passion. Holness posted on another social media platform. The presentation came a week after Thompson-Herah was named the World Athletics Female Athlete of the Year after she produced one of the finest sprint seasons in history this year by retaining her Olympic 100 and 200-meter title at the Tokyo Olympics. The Prime Minister also posted on another social media platform that he used this opportunity to congratulate Elaine on being awarded the 2021 World Athletic Female Athlete of the Year. Holness wrote, we are very proud of her achievement and encourage her to continue breaking record and expanding brand Jamaica. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.